See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Are you over this rainy pattern yet? Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to be sticking around for the work week ahead, as we're going to have more showers developing each and every afternoon moving through the work week. So just kind of have that umbrella in the car with you, as you just might need it just about each and every afternoon. Taking a look on the radar, we can see the scattered showers and storms that developed this afternoon. They developed down towards the south and southeast and worked their way up to the north and northwest during the afternoon. Heavier showers remain mainly north of the interstate, but right now we're starting to have a few right along the interstate developing, a couple now making their way here into Lafayette. Farther to the south, they stayed a little bit more on the dry side today from New Iberia to Morgan City, but it's back to that kind of don't know where they're going to develop again for tomorrow. So you can see right now we do have a little wave moving through Lafayette, coming up the thruway, heading up Interstate 49 out towards the Karen Crow area. Also had a system move through Breaux Bridge with some of the heavier showers. That's heading up towards the Arnoldville area. And then over towards Henderson, a nice little shower just moved through, and that's pushing off to the north. So there could be some wet roadways on the interstate later this evening, but that should dry out here as this rain will continue to fade a little later on this evening as it lifts up to the north. Crowley's getting a decent little shower right now, maybe even a rumble of thunder mixed in over there. Heading over towards the west, towards Jennings, also starting to see some of that heavier, the light to moderate shower activity, but this is all lifting up to the north and northeast and should kind of die out here within the next hour or so. And then we have some lighter showers pushing through Calcasieu Parish over into East Texas. And then we have another wave of some light showers moving through the Kinder area and dropping down towards the Iway area. So that's what we got on the radar this afternoon. But as mentioned, just like the past several days, it'll start to fall apart here as we move into the 6-7 o'clock hour and we kind of lose the heating of the day. Widespread scattered showers all across the Gulf Coast and back over into Texas, so remaining very active, and that's going to keep the chance for more scattered showers and storms for your Monday heading back to work. And then out into the Atlantic, we continue to have tropical storm now Chris off the Carolina coast. The good news is there's a stationary front in between the coast and this system, so not a whole lot of this is actually making its way onshore. It's staying just a couple hundred miles off the east coast of the Carolinas, but it is starting to get its act together. Winds now up to 50 miles per hour, decent little circulation. Gust up to 65, but it is pretty much stationary right now, and that's allowing it to kind of get itself together. Not going to move a whole lot in the next 36 hours. Briefly beginning to strengthen, could become a Category 1 hurricane as we move into late Monday and into early Tuesday. That's when it starts to move off a little bit to the north and northeast away from land. So not really causing any issues up and down the east coast. Should stay well enough offshore. And then as it starts to move over some cooler waters in the North Atlantic, we'll begin the weekend a little later on this week. Also in the tropics, we have what is now left of Beryl is now just a remnant low as it's lost its circulation here this afternoon, but still have some deep, heavy showers and thunderstorms getting to make its way towards Dominica and towards the Guadalupe Islands. Could cause some heavier rains for them and some gusty winds up to 40, 60 miles per hour. So that's what they're dealing with this evening. But the good news is it's kind of on the weaker side. And then once it moves off to the west and pushes into the Caribbean Sea by tomorrow afternoon, is expected to kind of weaken, but still could bring some scattered showers back through Puerto Rico and into the Dominican Republic a little later on this week. And then as it heads up towards the Bahamas, as we push into about Wednesday and Thursday, it could redevelop. So this is something we're going to continue to be paying attention to in the coming days. Through the rest of this evening, rain showers ending, but we could have another wave move through during the late evening hours. I think the model is definitely overdoing this, but I wouldn't be surprised if we have one or two isolated showers still with us through 10, 11 o'clock this evening. Waking up to dry conditions to start our Monday, but like we've seen today, scattered showers and storms developing during the afternoon. Some of those could be on the heavy side with some rumbles of thunder and lightning clearing out into the evening. Waking up Tuesday on the dry side with some sunshine to begin the day, and then maybe a little lower chance, just maybe some isolated showers come Tuesday afternoon. Tuesday does look like maybe to be the dry day of the upcoming work week. So showers fading this evening, warm and sticky, a very tropical night. Temperatures in the mid-70s with some areas of fog heading off back to work tomorrow morning with all that rain and moisture on the low levels. Times of morning sunshine to begin our work week, but scattered showers and storms developing during the afternoon. 50-60% chance, so have that umbrella with you again tomorrow. 88 for the afternoon high. You can see the lower rain chances for Tuesday getting us back into the lower 90s, but then we bump the rain chances up to about a 50-40% chance as we finish out the work week. So it is going to kind of be one of those wet, unsettled weeks here in Acadiana. Looking ahead to next weekend, the wet pattern sticks with us. 40-50% chance for scattered showers and storms next Saturday and Sunday before maybe some drier weather moves in for the following work week.